Hello friends, Namaskar. So in this video we will see the three-dimensional structure of S orbital, P orbital and that of the D orbital. So first of all we'll see the S orbital. So the S orbitals are spherical in shape. Spherical, that means the shape of ball, football or cricket ball. So it is similar to that. So S orbitals are although here we are we can see the circular shape, but in real the s orbitals are spherical. So if we see the structure of one s orbital, this is one s orbital, and if we try to draw two s orbital, then here we will get one portion after one s orbital where there will not be any electron. So this portion is empty and this portion will be called nodes. So after these nodes you will get another portion which will be called as 2s orbital, and similar way you will get 3s orbital, 4s orbital. So this is s orbitals are spherical. You may get direct questions, what is the shape of s orbital. So this is spherical. After that we will try to know about p orbital. P orbital. So p orbitals are dumbbell shape. So there are three types of p orbitals. Three types of p orbitals: px, py, and pz. Okay. So first of all, we will draw the coordinates axis. This is the x-axis. Say this x-axis is lying on the plane of this paper. Now we will draw another axis. Let us consider that this axis is also lying on the plane of the paper. This is y-axis, and after that we will draw third axis, which is the z-axis, and this z-axis is perpendicular to the plane of the paper. Perpendicular, that means the z-axis is, this is the z-axis. That means this z-axis is pointing towards you, and another portion, this portion is away from you. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and z-axis. This is the position of z-axis. So now we'll see px orbital. Px orbital. So this is the px orbital. There will be two lobes, and these two lobes will be along the x-axis. In the similar way, this is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. If we try to draw py axis, this will be the py orbital. It will be along y-axis. Similarly, you will get, this z. If we draw a shape like this along z-axis, it will be your pz orbital. After that, we'll see d orbitals. So 1 minute, the shape of p orbitals are dumbbell shape. Dumbbell shaped. This is a frequently you may ask this question, the what is the shape of p orbital. So this is the answer, dumbbell shape, and then you can draw these pictures. After that we'll see d orbitals. So d orbitals, there are total 5 types of d orbitals. One is your dxy, dyz, dxz, okay, dx square, y square, dz. Z square. Okay, so now we'll see the structures one by one. So here also we'll draw x-axis which is lying on the plane of the paper, y-axis which is lying on the plane of the paper, and another axis which is perpendicular to the plane of the paper. This is z-axis. This point of z-axis is pointing towards you. Okay, and another portion is going away from you, that means below this paper. Try to imagine this one. So now first of all we will try to draw dxy. See here, x and y are on the plane of the paper. So if you consider this plane, that means xy plane, so dxy orbital will lie in the plane of the paper, that means on the xy plane. This is xy plane. Okay, and the lobes will lie in between the axis. Okay, so in between the xy, dxy, this is dxy now. That's why we'll draw the lobes in between xy, but this will lie on the xy plane. So we'll draw like this in between xy. Again double here. This is also y dash x dash. We'll draw another one. Okay, this orbital is lying on the plane of the paper. Now we'll try to draw dyz. So dyz, that means yz plane. You will have to choose yz plane, y and z. That means this plane. Suppose y is lying in this way and z in this way. So this will be the plane. Okay, vertical plane. So we'll draw the lobes of the yz orbital in between z and y axis. Okay, this one and this one. Now another one. Now we'll draw xz. That means in this case the lobes of d orbital will lie in between x axis and z axis, and this will lie in the xz plane. Okay, this plane. So okay, now xz, this is xz. Okay, looks similar. Now we'll see the structure of dx square y square. So here the lobes of the orbital will lie along the x and y axis. So along the axis we'll draw this one, and again we'll draw along y axis. Okay, now only one is left, dz square. This is x, z axis, y axis. So this is a z square. So it will look like this, and here you will get another portion which will look like this area. Okay, see, orbitals are nothing. You will not get any shape like this in real life. These are totally imaginary thing. So these are the imaginary areas where you can find electrons. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please do share like, and please do comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.